Ace, you want to come forward? Not back. You can't go backwards anymore. There's a wall. You can't go back anymore. There's a wall. Ace, where you going, Ace? Ace, you're going the wrong way in the walker. Ace, you're supposed to be going forward. Why are you doing the Michael Jackson moonwalk in circles? Ace. Ace, you gonna come forward?